What is up, guys? We're going for a little late night Taco Bell run, baby. We are here. We are here. What did I order? I ordered their new steak chile verde. Chile verde fries. No, wait, no, not the fries. The burrito. You got the verde sauce on it. How you doing, boss? I got an order for Mick.
Mick?
Yes, sir. Online.
You can proceed for it, sir.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Just turn it off. Stop wasting gas. You know what I'm saying? Just chill. I'm gonna just push it. Get me a little Taco Bell, some food to eat, so I can work. You know what I'm saying, guys? It's kind of a lot of people here today, so I fixed the angle a little bit. Hopefully, it's like I'm trying to see like more of the tank, and so you can see my controls better, not just the speedometer. So hopefully, this looks okay. Put this up to neutral. This is how you guys pick up with the bike through drive-through. Try to do it fast at least. Get your stuff ready. Don't be embarrassed. Everybody understands you in a way. Get your food. Hop it over your back real quick. I need to get some gas too. Fuck. So many things to do. Damn, man, waiting kind of long. Gotta get back to work. 10:07. Oh my god. Yeah. How you doing, man? Thank you very much. Oh shit. You're so slow. Alrighty. Ooh. Yeah, and you guys just come out here. You know what I'm saying? Tighten it up a little bit. Oops. Okay. Let me get some gas. Sheets. You want to see how much it is to fill it up? So it was at 2 bars. There you go. $7. $7. Holy shit, I can't see far. Ah, I can't see shit. Don't ride at night with whatchamacallit, a tinted visor, guys. You guys will not be able to see unless you're like a pro like me. Psych.